Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for a Mexican citizenship. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, so obtaining a Mexican citizenship can be achieved through several different pathways, which include naturalization, marriage, descent, and other special circumstances. So I've outlined a detailed guide on how to apply for a Mexican citizenship. So the first way is citizenship by descent. So if you have Mexican ancestry, you may be eligible for citizenship by descent. Key points include, so you need to proving your Mexican ancestry. So provide documentation proving that at least one of your parents is a Mexican citizen. The next way is submit your application to the Mexican consulate or relevant administrative office in Mexico. And then the second way is citizenship by naturalization. Foreign nationals who have been living in Mexico may apply for citizenship through naturalization. Requirements include residency. So you must be legally resided in Mexico for at least 5 years prior to the application. This can be reduced to 2 years if you are married to a Mexican citizen, you have a Mexican child, you are a native of a Latin American or Iberian Peninsula country. You have provided distinguished services to Mexico in the cultural, social, scientific, technical, etc. fields. Stable income and accommodation. So you need to demonstrate you have stable income and accommodation in Mexico. And knowledge of Spanish and Mexican culture. So provide proficiency in Spanish and knowledge of Mexican history and culture. And good character. So have a clean criminal record will definitely help as well. The third way is citizenship by marriage. So spouses of Mexican citizens can apply for citizenship. Requirements include residency. You must have resided in Mexico for at least 2 years. Must have been married to a Mexican citizen for at least 2 years and demonstrate stable income and accommodation in Mexico. And then you need to provide proficiency in Spanish and good knowledge of Mexican history and culture and have a clean record as well. Now, children born in Mexico or to Mexican parents abroad are eligible for citizenships. Key points include birth in Mexico, so any child born on Mexican soil is automatically a Mexican citizen. And children born abroad to Mexican parents can acquire citizenship by registering the birth at a Mexican consulate. The fifth way is citizenship by presidential grant. So, in very special circumstances, the presidents of Mexico can grant citizenship. This is typically reserved for individuals who have made significant contributions to Mexico. The process includes application. So, submit a petition to the president of Mexico, supporting documentation, provide documents supporting your case. And now for the application process, you need to make sure you got all the required documents, which include passports, birth certificates, proof of residency, marriage certificates if it's applicable, proof of income, criminal record check, and language proficiency certificates. And then once you've got all your documentation in order, you can make an application by submitting it to the National Institute of Migration or at a Mexican consulate abroad. And if you get through to the next stage, you might be asked for an interview or an examination. So you need to demonstrate your knowledge of Spanish and Mexican culture in that interview or examination as well. And then once improved, you'll be granted Mexican citizenship and can apply for a Mexican passport.